guys, for today's video I'm gonna make some banana rolls. Mostly in the Filipino we call it Turon. So I have my ingredients here. I use these kinds of banana, and then I have my egg roll wrapper or lumpia wrapper, and then I have my jackfruit and my brown sugar. So first is I need to lay this egg roll wrapper, and then you need to put a slice of banana, and then you put the jackfruit. You can put as many as you can. If you got lots of it, then you can put lots of it, and then put the brown sugar on the top, and then fold it, roll, fold, roll. So this is our finished product. Then let's do the same until we finish all our bananas, and then we can start frying. So same. So I'm already done wrapping my banana rolls, so now it's time to fry it. So we just making sure that our oil is hot before we fried it. And according to my statistic, is it hot? So now it's time for me to put all my banana in the frying pan. Oh banana, oh banana, oh banana, oh banana, oh banana, oh banana. So we flip on the other side. Ouchie. Then we just wait until the other side brown, then it's done. So it's done. Our first batch is done. So we just do the same thing in the rest for the rest of it. Yum, yum, yum. We just continue until we're done. It's all done. My banana rolls or Turon. Thank you for watching my video, you guys. Until next. Thank you, ciao. Have a good day. Bye bye.